Y'all what we?
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 What are you doing, fam? What you took my hat off for? What do you take my hat off for?
Y'all what we?
What's up? Good?
Y'all what we?
What the fuck is y'all what we?
Y'all what we? Y'all what we? Y'all what we?
Alright,
Y'all what we? Y'all what we? Y'all what we? Y'all what we?
You fucking nuts!
Ow.
Trying to give me fucking COVID, you motherfucker! Oh, and oh, your lip looks! Your breast stinks like shit, motherfucker!
Oh my god, can you just walk past me normal for once?
I don't know. Mama, with a ride.
Hello? Slap it!
Hi, can I help you? Do you have a question?
It's a lot I got to ask you.
We'll make it quick.
How do it feel to be the motherfucking queen of the world?
Well, honey, I've been the queen so long, you know. How does the sun feel to be the motherfucking sun? You know what I mean? Any more questions, guys, gals?
Hey Cassidy. Yeah. Your feet are lava. Oh my gosh, start this again. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. What? Kick it, kick it.
Oh.
Kick it, kick it. Kick it, kick it.
Mira, la saco, tío, está lloviendo. Bueno, tío. Tío, está lloviendo mazo. Dale tope de fuerte, bro.
Oh.
Dude, how is that gonna go viral? All you did was a layup.
Bro, don't worry about it. The boys got me. Don't worry about it. The boys got me.
Bichotazos, I'm gonna make this shot. Bichotazo, mo fucking ñaño, ñaño, chupado, fucking ñaño.
If you can flip your laptop over the bridge and catch it before it drops on the ground with one hand, then you get $10,000 in cash. How does that sound?
Nah, I can't do that. I got too much stuff on this laptop, bro. I can't do it.
Bro,
Just
do you not realize how much 10,000 is?
Bro, I got all my memories, my mom pictures, all that.
All right, how about this? I got $20,000 for you. 20,000, bro. It's 20,000. It's a lot of money.
Nah. If you make it like 40 or 50, then
what?
Probably.
20? All right. How about this?
I got too much stuff, bro.
All right, this is the last and final offer. So this is $30,000. All right here. For you to flip your laptop and catch it before it drops. This is the final offer. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm not.
You know what? I used to play football in high school, so I got them hands. So $30, that's easy money.
All right,
that's easy money.
Okay, bet. Come on, let's get it then. You ready?
Ready?
All right, bet. You catch it with one hand though. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, quick question. So I need my haircut real quick. It's an emergency. Can you cut my hair right now? Can you get him after?
You're a little busy, bro.
Huh? Can you cut my hair right now?
Nah, I got to cut him, man. He got a little funeral.
You got a funeral coming up?
Yeah, bro.
I'll give you $4 extra to cut my hair right now instead of him.
What?
$40 extra.
I ain't gonna be long. I mean, I get you. Wait, he might be my last one for real. I think I might have to go.
Yeah, bro, we got a funeral to go to, man. I can't even do it.
I'll give you $5,000 right now in cash to cut my hair right now. $5,000 in cash.
How much you think? Hey, look, bro. That's 5,000.
Come on,
I'm
bro.
sorry, man.
$5,000.
Are you for real?
You got.
Bro, nah,
look,
bro.
I gotta get this money.
It's an emergency.
My bad.
Man, what?
$5,000.
You gotta come back tomorrow too, man. He gotta be my last one.
Oh
I gotta get up out of here.
Bro.
I got you tomorrow though.
Here you go, bro. Appreciate it.
Shit, where you headed tonight? My friend's house.